Jones is a company headquartered out of Mississippi, and they earned a contract with a big manufacturer in Wisconsin about 5-6 years ago.
We came to Wisconsin and started working with a customer up here. At that time, our local Mack vendor was Tri-State Truck Centers, and they put me in touch with David Kriete.
They had about 10 Mack Trucks at the time to service this customer.
David sent me a list of contacts. I came to Wisconsin, I met the vendors at the locations, met the service managers. We discussed our trucks, how we wanted to keep them up.
The Kriete, Tri-State, Jones, and Mack relationship is truly a wonderful example of how the dealer network is supposed to work.
And as it progressed, we started looking at the contract maintenance model.
So as our relationship with Jones evolved, what became pretty apparent is the need for service contracts. So what does that mean? Fundamentally, they're running 10 trucks to begin with, which soon evolved into 20, 30, 40, 50 Mack and Volvo trucks in RAOR. They don't have technicians, certainly not certified with Mack and Volvo, so they needed our expertise.
They have a mix of between contract maintenance units, full service lease, as well as rental. In addition to those standard offerings, we did something that we'd never done in the past and actually opened up a dedicated maintenance facility on their site.
Right now we got one mechanic that works for us here at our shop.
My name is Francisco Núñez. I do maintenance in the trucks. I do oil changes, grease jobs. I'm dedicated just to Jones Logistics, which is good for me because I get to know the drivers, I get to know the customer, and they get to know me.
So having the facility and being able to have Kriete bring those technicians in staff here, it's been huge to our success.
It's a lot of work for our maintenance team, but I think it's an even bigger job for the Kriete team. And I couldn't give them enough credit for the amount of work they do for us.
We're able to get the full package deal from Kriete and really get it provided right here in our own neck of the woods. And so that relationship has really grown and continues to grow because it really has become a partnership working hand in hand.
Our entire interest is ensuring that the customer is up, that they're serviced, and that their experience from start to finish is absolutely first class. It's really well beyond just our own dealer operation. It goes for the next dealership group and the next dealership group and the next dealership group, coast to coast. We are only as good as our neighbors, and our neighbors are only as good as we are.